Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is going to be a long sliding door, and we have this archway here that we are going to put that in right now to block off all the junk behind it so no one has to see it from the nice side. So we're about to go and set it up, and I'll let you guys see as we do it. It's kind of facing me. Okay, so I've got it sort of up here, but I want to show you guys what I do with the handles. Right here. I'm not going to attach them right now, but it looks like the easiest thing ever. Well, I can even attach it right now because I have a screw. I don't know if this is the right screw for it. Let's see. Oh wait, is it recording? Yeah, I'm recording. No, but the handle will go here. There'll be a handle on each side. Oh, because it goes through there. There'll be a handle on each side to open and close it. Right now, I'm just going to leave it like this. But also, we have the railing on this side here, too, and we'll attach this as well to keep it all closed so it'll slide in there. And then we have the lock that will lock onto it as well. So I can just put that there, and I'll show you how it works here. If I do it this way, I guess I have it backwards. Yeah, it would just rotate down into the little latch. So you can keep it latched, and it would just be like right there, one on one and one on the other part. And then you have it locked up. So that's kind of how it works. So we're going to go and finish putting this in here so it'll block some of this side off from the other direction. And it looks cool. I like it. This is a really nice sliding door, and it slides super easy. Oh, well, now that I have the bar up here, it doesn't slide as easy. But it's got the wheels on the top and everything, so it really does slide nice. I'm going to say this is a really nice little door. Great for any kind of opening you have. If you want to, if you have one of those closets in a bathroom that's opened or whatever, you can close it up with this. So very cool. Thumbs up. I like it.